Okay, hello guys, welcome to this video. And in this video, I'll be talking to you about Fiverr voice acting jobs. Fiverr voice acting jobs. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about in this video. And I want to show you guys some examples of people that are doing this on Fiverr, and this is a good stuff to start for if you're looking for jobs to do, easy jobs to do on Fiverr that doesn't require much skill. That even if you don't have much skill, you can start up with this, and I'll show you how to get traffic so you can start getting sales. So let's begin now. As you can see, I'm logged into Fiverr, and I've opened the page, the sales page of one of the sellers, and as you can see, I will do one nature deep English male voiceover. You see, this guy has one order in queue, and as you can see, these are all the things he can do. He can do as a voiceover artist. So look at I can do radio commercials, TV commercials, audiobooks, corporate, video narration, training, instructional, real estate, YouTube videos, explainer videos, instructional trainings, podcast intros, and voice intros, voicemail, phone greetings, and more. You could do any voiceovers. And look at what it's charging to show you guys what you can be making from this. You can it's charging $20. So you can start if you start today, you can start up yours and start charging from around $10. $10. Start with $10, and then you start getting sales. So let me show you some other guys I opened. And this is someone else. He's another seller on Fiverr. I will do deep American English male voiceover for you. As you can see, I will do deep American English male voiceover for you. So this is how you get. This is how you get. This is how you see what people are doing. Look at he's charging $10, and he is Fiverr's choice. As you can see, his Fiverr choice is charging $10 for a 2-day delivery. Number of words is 25. So this is a very good gig. If you're looking for a job to start, this is a very good job. You can start on Fiverr. It doesn't require much skills. All you need is just your phone and your all you need is just your phone and and a very quiet room, and the ones and Audacity software to be able to edit the audio when you're done recording. So that's all you need. That's all you need to start. So I'm going to show you guys how to set this up and how to start this, what the things you need and everything you need to start up. So the first thing you want to do is now you have to sign up with Fiverr. If you have not signed up with Fiverr, you can check. I'll put a description in my link where you guys can sign up on Fiverr, and then you guys can start up setting up your gig on Fiverr. So let's go. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Fiverr. You want to go to Fiverr, and you want to look at. You want to look at. I did this is this keyword. This is a keyword I got from a keyword research tool. As you can see, I did this is deep male English voiceover. I did this keyword research. Now, I've been there are people selling on Fiverr for quite some time, but getting traffic, if you want to get traffic on Fiverr, you don't just go and just start up just like that. You need an approach, you need a system, you need a strategy that will help you get that will help you get in front of people, and then that will also help you keep getting in front of people, and then you can start making money from it. So now I'm going to show you the strategy that works and that will keep working. So now this is what you do. Now, if you come in, you see what you do is you come into Survivor and you check voiceover. If you check voice, Let me bring this tab down. I see these are the recent searches. These are the research I did. I did voice acting, I did voice actor, and I did deep male English voiceover. Now you can see these are the services that are available here. The services on Fiverr, and as you can see, none of them have the keywords in them. Do you see that? None of them have the keywords in them. So like voice actor, AI voice agent, Japanese voice over, British voice over, audio voice, audio voice over, German voice over, female voice over, Arabic voice. These are the services available on Fiverr. Now, if you want to start, some people just come in here and just pick one of these titles and just put it as their keyword, as the title of their Fiverr gig. You're not going to make much sales or any sales if you go with any of these services as your gig title. So to get your gig title, you need to do some research first. You need to do some research so you can show up on Google, you can show up on major search engines, you can show up on other search engines to be able to get clients to visit your page, and then you start making sales. Now, if you really want to start, what I'll suggest to do for you to do is, now we're gonna go to, I'm gonna open up this tool. It's a free tool, the Ahrefs tool. I'm gonna let that load. Now once it loads, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Oh no, what happened? Let's Ahrefs. So I'm gonna allow the page to load. So the page is loading right now. I'm scrolling down to the bottom of the page so I can show you guys. I'll not allow this video to be too lengthy so that you guys can get what I'm trying to say. I understand what I'm trying to do, because the first steps matters. You don't just jump in and start creating gigs. That's why a lot of people get frustrated on Fiverr. I've seen a lot of people go on Fiverr, and then so you click on keyword generator. That's what you do. The free keyword generator. This tool is free. You can use it for free to get what you need. So we're typing voice, oh sorry, voice. Let's do voice actor first. Let's find keywords. Searching for keywords. Oh, it's verifying. Let's allow them to verify. So I can show you guys what to do. Some people are trying, a lot of people are trying to get to go on Fiverr and make some sales, but some people cannot do it. I'll be creating some more videos for different services like web design. If you're a web designer and you want to make money as a web designer on Fiverr, I'll show you what to do. I'll show you the step-by-step way to get this done. This video is getting too lengthy and I haven't done much. Uh, come on. Okay, now it will come up. So as you can see, voice actor, voice actor. No, these are all keywords you can use. As you can see, so but this is not um, what we actually want, but it's close. You can use this to. These are keywords you can use. You can use these ones for to generate traffic, like to write articles you're going to be using to send traffic to the blog. Now, but what you first of all need, I want you to, if you really want to do this, if you really want to do the voice, if you want to go for this, I'll suggest you use this keyword. The one I just did, it's that keyword is deep mail. What I did was, let me just come in here. I think I did deep. male deep, is it deep male? I think it's deep male voice. Okay, let's go back and check. Let's do male, English male. Let me do English male, male voice over. So let's see. English male voiceover. Load, load, load. So what I'm showing you, here, maybe what I'll do is these videos, I'll show you the steps in this video, and while I'll continue the video and I'll show you the next steps for the next video. What you, as in how to set up your gig. But for this one, I'm just, this is like a preparation part where that shows you what to, the stepping stones, if the foundation you need to build before you start setting up your gig. This is very, very important. If you don't get this right, then you're just going to go to Fiverr and you're not going to make much out of it. So look at English male voiceover. Now this is a very good keyword to pursue. You could do an English male voiceover, or if you take out the let's take out the English and let's do the male. So these are keywords you can type. You could, let's see male voiceover. Let's see how easy it is. English male voiceover is a good keyword to go after. Deep male voiceover is also good. Deep male voiceover is good. English male voiceover is good. So these are gigs you can create. You can create gigs on this. I want this stuff to load so I can show you guys what you need to understand before we move ahead. Okay, now look at, we've gotten a lot of keywords right here. Look at, this is how I got my keywords before. So now we have a lot of keywords here that we can rank for. So this is male voiceover. Now you see the male voiceover is very easy. The male voiceover talent is male voiceover artist, easy. American male voiceover, this is also easy because it doesn't even, it's not even showing up, not even showing any difficulty yet. Male voiceover actors. So what I'll do is I'll copy all of these keywords now. According to, we have 89 keywords. Now, if I sign up for Ahrefs, I'm going to get, I'm going to get all this is access to all the 89 keywords. But since I'm using the free version, I'm only allowed to see just 20 of these keywords here. So this is what you do. Now, we come in here and then we'll do this keyword research first. Keyword research first is very, very important. You guys, please, if you want to start on Fiverr, don't just jump in and don't just go there and do what you like. If not, you get frustrated. So in order not to get frustrated, follow this method, please, so you don't get frustrated on the long run. It's real painful to put in your time and effort into something and then you're not getting anything from it. So, and then you don't get anything from it. So it's not nice. So I want to copy this so that I can move forward. Okay, let me just copy or copy all of it. Now I'm gonna paste that in a Word doc, in my Word doc. So now this is a very good keyword. Yeah, this is how you do it. Now let me save this. Then I'll continue. Workspace. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What doc? Okay, let's open a new one. New document. Uh, Untitled. It's loading. Okay, so Okay, so I've saved this. Now let me go back and copy this next one. I'm going to show you guys what you need to do, how you can, what you're going to do with these keywords, and how you're going to set it up. So I'll do another video probably tomorrow to show you guys what you guys need to do. So, but for this first one, this is okay. Let's go back. Uh, just loaded. Okay. So now that you have the keyword, what you need to do is the next thing you want to do is you pick the ones that are easy, like those ones that are easy. You can pick like the deep American. Let me open up the keywords I pasted. Now, okay. These are the keywords we just let me bold it so that you guys can see. Select all. Bold. Okay, good. Now, as you guys can see, these are the keywords. Now, the first one is sales, male voiceover, which is easy, male voiceover, male voiceover talent, male voiceover artist, American male voiceover actor, male voiceover artist, deep male voiceover. This is a very good keyword. You can see it's easy, less than 100 searches per month. Professional male voiceover. This is another very good keyword. You can target this, you can target this. You can target professional, you can do it. You are allowed to create 4 gigs on Fiverr. You can open one account, and if you're targeting just this um, whatever, you can you can create a gig for this and add this into the keywords of your gig. You can use this as a gig, the professional male voiceover as a gig title, and then uh, you can put all of this, you can put it in your gig title. So now this is the first part because this video is getting up to 17 minutes. It's around 17 minutes right now. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this video here and I'll continue the next part where I'll show you guys what I'll be doing with these keywords and how I'm going to use these keywords. I'm going to create a gig, set up a gig for you guys, and I'll show you the method I'll be using to make this work and how you can make money from this, how you can start this up, and how it will be a job you can earn from. So I'll be stopping this video here, guys. I will continue the next part in the next video. So I'll see you guys. Bye for now, guys.